Welcome to this Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to make Discord open on a second monitor by default. Discord opens on the last screen it was used on, but sometimes it keeps opening on the wrong monitor. Luckily, here's Section's a quick fix. As you can see, I don't have two monitors, so I'm using a split screen for the sake of this video. First, open Discord and drag the Discord window onto your second monitor, just like this. You can also resize the window slightly if needed. Then close Discord properly by clicking on the close icon. Do not force close it from the task manager. Now reopen Discord. In most cases, Discord will remember the last monitor and open directly on your second screen. For multi-monitor users, make sure your display settings are correct and that your second monitor is not set as disconnected. Also ensure it is not duplicated. We moved Discord to the second monitor, closed it correctly, and ensured the display settings allow Discord to remember the monitor position. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Stack tutorial videos.